Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome browser faster. So let's go to the tutorial. At first open your Chrome browser. It's my Chrome browser. I have opened my Chrome browser, and then go to the top right side corner three-dotted icon. Click the three-dotted icon and then go to the settings, and under the privacy and security section click on the clear browsing data. Here are two options, basic and advanced option. I will choose advanced option, and I will choose the all time range, and I will uncheck passwords and form data, and then click on the clear data option. It will take some times to clear all of the data. I have to wait. And now my all of the browsing data has been cleared, and it's a tutorial for how to make your Google Chrome browser. And then now I will close my Google Chrome browser, and then will reopen my browser. Yes, now my browser is more than faster previous. So it's a little tutorial. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Goodbye.